Hey, happy Cinco de Mayo, catastrophic students. Today is Tuesday, May 5th, 5th of May, Cinco de Mayo. Today we continue on in our nuclear catastrophe unit. Yesterday we had an introduction to the hazards of radiation. And today, day 2 of our nuclear unit, we will move into how nuclear power plants operate to produce energy. We are on our final unit of this entire school year, of this fourth quarter of e-learning. This is our final unit. If you haven't submitted assignments or if you allowed yourself to get behind, please get moving now. This fourth 9 weeks, your goal should be to submit as many assignments as you can in order to pass this 9 weeks, because if you do that, you actually will receive a 100% toward your semester score. So there's an opportunity for a lot of you students that might have had B's to pull them up to A's by submitting work. If you had C's, you can pull them up to B's, and so forth and so on, when you're factoring in a 100% as a passing grade for this 9 weeks. So get work submitted. It is not too late. It is never too late. But you want to get moving on it now. If you have any questions, if you've allowed yourself to get behind and you're not sure where to start or how to do this, focus on assignments that took place from April 17th on forward to now. Focus on those catch-up assignments first, April 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and just proceed forward until you catch up. This will be huge for you. This is how you can pass this entire semester and get the semester science credit here that you're hoping to get. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. If you're not sure what assignments we've done, find the advanced planners, just like this one. Find the advanced planners. They'll say what week it is, and they'll say what dates it's for. So look at the dates, look at what week you're on, and see what we did. Everything is on Google Classroom. But again, if you're confused and not sure of how to catch up, fire me an email at steve.hippenmeyer@ketteringschools.org. I will reply promptly. That email is all over Google Classroom. You can find it. Again, it's steve.hippenmeyer@ketteringschools.org. I look forward to hearing from you. Happy Cinco de Mayo.